try food.
Hi, and welcome back to another Hightorial. Today, Josh is gonna be making a fucking pipe out of a chicken wing.
What you're gonna need is, of course, you're gonna need your handy dandy weed and lighter. We're gonna use some barbecue skewers here, and of course, you're gonna need some chicken wings, preferably not covered in hot sauce, but for the sake of the video, we are already eating hot sauce wings.
Yay.
So let's get it. Here. So first things first, probably gonna want to pick a nice and, you know, I kind of want to pick, I'm just gonna grab this one, fuck it, just grab a chicken wing. Grab any wing, and we're gonna need a hole for our chicken wing pipe. So I'm just gonna take my skewers. You don't actually need the barbecue skewers. If you want, you can be real greasy. You can use a pan and shit like that. Anything that stabs between these wing slots here.
No, that doesn't look right.
Looks pretty appetizing.
Bro, I'm either baked as fuck or that just doesn't look right.
No, this is good. This is good.
Sorry.
This is good. This looks like it's gonna be tasty. So, have you ever, you know, been smoking weed and eating wings and just thought, like, why not both? Well, today we're gonna see what that's like.
Oh my god! All right, let's send it.
Send it. So you're gonna take the weed and you're gonna pass.
We high as fuck. All right.
You're gonna pass
Okay. Are you gonna eat it after?
All right.
Okay, word. He's gonna eat it after, guys.
Okay.
For the fans, dude.
Okay. Ready, guys?
Bitches love the gram.
Oh yeah. That's how you spoke of a chicken wing. Oh shit, I don't want to burn my mouth.
Oh no. Savage. Wanna say hi, Aslan? He's like, what the fuck are you doing?
Want some res chicken?
He's like, yeah. Aw, say hi, House.
You want some dirty res chicken? With hot sauce, Hasselman?
Oh yeah, Hasselman.
Buddy. Yeah,
Hasselman,
the salad. It's crazy. Alright guys, that's it. Hella easy for this one. You ever in a pinch, you don't have a pipe, you're eating some chicken wings, you're like, fuck. I wish I could smoke this weed and eat this chicken wing. Why not both?
Fuck it.
Tune in next time for some more genius ideas. Thanks everybody. Have a good night.